what I'm working on right now is I got this 13B turbo manifold to make. Basically, I got a flange, I got a billet flange, and then a billet T4 flange. Now this goes from T4 to 2 3/8. It's CNC billeted, so it merges. I'll show you if I can get it off, but I got basically one runner finished. It's tacked in place. Now I just need to take this piece of this is a big boy manifold. So this is 2-inch Schedule 10, outside diameter of like 2.3 something, 2.35, and OD of obviously like 2. And this manifold is stepped. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I can show you that. But the manifold I got is like a billet CNC from PRL, and it's stepped in there. You see that? So it accepts the 2-inch. And then there's the, basically I gotta slide this in here, and I gotta cope it. Once I got it coped in, I gotta tack it, break it all apart, weld it out. But yeah, it's going pretty slow right now, honestly. I need to go. The next thing is I need to start coping this. I'm just waiting for a Lennox hole saw I ordered for 2 3/8. So next is, I gotta trim this, figure it all out, put it in. But I'll bring you guys back once, I do all that. And I already tacked this runner in. Here, let's see if I can take it apart and show you guys the T4 flange. I have these custom made by a company in Colorado. He's a pretty good guy. We work a lot together. But this is just a quick little fixture I did just for this one-off manifold. So here's the one runner. You can see this is a big manifold. And then here's the CNC flange I was talking to you guys about. As you can see, this is a regular T4, and this is a 2 3/8 inch to accept the pipe. And you can see it's CNC'd in there. And the manifold, what I was talking about. See how it's stepped right there? So this Schedule 10 2-inch fits perfectly in there, nice and snug. And then you can get a nice joint weld around it, and nice little butt weld, or a nice little fillet, I guess, right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll bring you guys back once I get a little further into it. But yeah, this is all I have so far. That manifold, I'm just working on this piece of the downpipe for this Datsun. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this, but the manifold is done. It's right there. Get you a view from the bottom. Can you see that? There it is. I still need to add a wastegate to it, but now I'm working on the downpipe. I just have it zip tied right now in place for placement. Little 45 to a flex. And then I have the turbo. This is a 4.5 inch to 3-inch reducer, which I welded up previously. I'm welding this elbow right here, right now. And then once that's done, I'm gonna tack it up to here, tack it up to there, take it off the car, weld the 3 joints, 1, 2. Actually, there's 4 joints because there's a V-band. Can you see that V-band down there? And once I'm done that, I need to do the intercooler setup for it. I have one of these little 45s. I'm going to weld onto the compressor housing, clock it, and then it's going to go into the core right there. 3-inch piping. The other side I kind of have mocked up. There's an intake manifold that sits right here, and it comes up to a individual throttle body with a top hat that goes up like this. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I already started. I'm just waiting for piping, but already this is the manifold right there. That's the throttle body, 2 fuel rails, one there, one there. And this elbow, as you can see, some of the welds already started on it. But yeah, this should be wrapping this up pretty soon. I'm sorry I couldn't record more on the manifold. I just had to, had to get it done. This is a 1/2 inch flange on the exhaust side, and then 3/4 inch flange on the turbo side. This is a huge turbo. This is, I think, 87 millimeter. It might be 88. This is huge. This is a 2-rotor 13B, originally out of a RX-7 twin turbo. Converted it. Still have to do fuel lines, but for right now, I'm waiting for the piece to purge right here. And I gotta weld that out. It's only 2 joints. 1, 2, full stainless. Once I'm done that, maybe I'll bring you guys back and show you, but that's it for right now. Just finished this piece of the downpipe. Purged it, Actually, I want to show you guys the purge. It's still, I literally just got done finished welding it, but let me put you on the tripod actually, and take it apart. Sorry about the shakiness. There we go. Yeah, let's take this apart real quick. I mean, this isn't, when you weld stainless, the purge is important, but it's not important to get like, titanium type purge where it's, 100% silver. And it looks super good. I don't know if there's a way to show you guys that. There it is. So yeah, this is all finished. Next up, I'll show you on the car. So this is the piece I just finished for the downpipe. I'll try to install it right now. This is a slip fit right here onto this reducer, and it's an inside slip. It's a single wall slip, so let's see if I can get it on. There we go. Alright, it's in there. So basically all that's left is we gotta put the flex on from the bottom, weld the V-band on it. Let's see if I can show you guys it. And you can see that straight pipe all the way down, and that's where the flex will come into play. So basically this is how that fits. Pretty tight clearance, but we got about 3/8 of an inch between the bell housing and the flex. And obviously I'm gonna do a solid hanger with a little rubber isolator that won't let that swing too far. So we'll get that. We'll weld this slip joint up right there. Yeah, and it's on the bottom too. So this is the little V-band I just welded. It wasn't the greatest V-band material. I think it was like coated steel or some shit. So, but I guess that will do for now. Let me see if I can take it off. Yep. There she is. All right, let's go put it on the car. Just finished up welding the downpipe. I think it came out pretty good. All I gotta do left is throw an O2 on here, but he doesn't know we're gonna put the O2 yet. So I'm gonna do that when I do the wastegate dump. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw this in the car and show you guys the final results. So just finished up this downpipe on it. So it goes from 4" to 3.5, or to 4" to 3, and then I got it all the way down. So it's a straight piece. We got like a 50-degree angle to a straight, and then we got a flex joint right there. Then it goes to a 45 and a V-band on the bottom. All I have to do is put this O2 I-band sensor in, and this one should be wrapped up. Let me show you guys the under view of it. So we go from the V-band. This is the existing on the right. Pre-existing. So we welded in a V-band to that, and we got this 45 all the way up to this flex coupler, and then we go straight up from there. As you can see, the clearances are really good. We got about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch right there, and about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch over here. Nice and solid, and fully TIG welded and purged, so it should last a lifetime. So yeah, that's a wrap on this downpipe project. I still got some more work to do on this car. Maybe I'll film it, maybe I won't, but yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys.